Your online reputation is your digital first impression. Before a potential client ever picks up the phone or sends an email, they're Googling your business, and what they find can make or break that first interaction. The good news is, managing your online reputation doesn't have to be overwhelming. A few consistent habits can go a long way. For small businesses, reputation goes beyond just reviews. It's everything someone sees when they search for you. Your Google business profile, your reviews across platforms, your social media presence, how you respond to feedback, and what your website says about you. All of it adds up to tell a story about what it's like to work with you. Here are 5 ways to stay on top of your online reputation. First, own your online presence. Claim your Google business profile, make sure your social media pages are active and up to date, and check that your website reflects who you are today. These are the places people land when they search for you, so make sure they're telling the right story. If someone finds an outdated phone number, an empty Facebook page, or a website that hasn't been touched in 2 years, that shapes their perception before you ever get a chance to talk to them. Second, monitor what's being said about you. Don't wait until a client brings up a bad review or a negative comment to find out about it. Check your Google reviews, social media mentions, and any directories you're listed on regularly. Knowing what people are saying gives you the chance to respond quickly and stay ahead of any issues. Third, respond to feedback everywhere, good and bad. Whether it's a Google review, a comment on social media, or a message through your website, acknowledge it. Thank people for positive feedback and address negative feedback professionally. How you handle criticism publicly says more about your business than the complaint itself. Potential clients are watching how you respond just as much as what was said. Fourth, proactively build social proof. Don't leave your reputation to chance. Ask happy clients for Google reviews, share testimonials on your website, post client success stories on social media, and highlight any awards or recognitions. The more positive, recent proof that's out there, the less impact one negative comment can have. Make it a habit, not a one-time effort. And fifth, keep your information consistent across every platform. Your business name, phone number, address, and branding should match across Google, your website, social media, Yelp, and any directories you're listed on. Inconsistencies confuse potential clients and can hurt your local search rankings. Do a quick audit once a quarter to make sure everything lines up. To recap, own your online presence, monitor what's being said, respond to all feedback, proactively build social proof, and keep everything consistent. Your online reputation is working for you 24/7. A little bit of regular attention makes sure it's telling the right story. Try doing a quick audit this week. Google your business and see what comes up. That's exactly what your potential clients are seeing.